Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Smith Corona here, and it's got a loose handle here. It just comes right off. It's got a little crack in it right there. I get asked a lot about these particular machines, and one drop of super glue will fix this one. It's not cracked in half. Even when they're cracked, this piece chips off all the way. You can still just put a drop of super glue in there sometimes. But so I'm going to just do a demonstration. One full-size drop in here. Alright, got one drop, maybe a drop and a half or something like that, but you don't have to do too much. And then just stick it on. And what I'm going to do is also squeeze it right here where that little break was right there, and squeeze it together like that, and just hold it for, you know, as long as I talk here, maybe 15 seconds. Super glue is really, really fast acting, and just go like that for a little bit, and it should hold. I'm doing this job before I start servicing the typewriter. That way I can make sure it holds. I'll be manhandling it for a little while. And if it handles that, it's going to handle everything from now on out. And I've got a couple other videos that show how to make a handle out of different things, and or cut that handle down and melt it onto the shaft further. Okay, I'm going to let this go. Had a little gap, stayed pretty close there. Worked out pretty good there. And I'm not going to touch it yet. I'm just going to look at the other side while I got it here. Let's see how the other side is looking. The other side is looking pretty solid. I do like to force these. That way, if it's close to breaking, it will break. Because, you know, they get used a lot. And that one feels really good. So, you know, that's a pretty tough handle. It's been on the machine for 40 years. You can't expect, you know, you can't expect things like that to last forever. So that's not really a design flaw. They didn't start breaking for a long time. Okay, that's how you do a quick super glue of Smith Corona Carriage release handle. Good day.